So hey there, welcome to another episode. So today I'll be taking this one and we are going to Chitrakoot or maybe the Tirutgarh, that's in Chhattisgarh. From here it is like close to 100 kilometers, flat 100. So we'll have to go via Jagdalpur only, and we'll be that is in Chhattisgarh. So along with me my cousin is also coming up. Temperature here it is close to 29 or 28 at present. Normal though. There no more drizzling, but we are expecting some little drizzle in Chhattisgarh Tirutgarh or the Chitrakoot. Time is 7:55 a.m. Waiting for my cousin to come up. New journey begins. Here we go. Right? Full tank ही ছিল ওখানে ঢেলে নেবো, ছত্তিশগড়ে ঢেলে নেবো, 2-3 টাকা তো কম পড়বে। আমার ফুল ট্যাঙ্ক আছে এনিওয়ে, নাহলে এসে ভরে নেবো। না ছত্তিশগড় কম থাকবে, ছত্তিশগড়ে কম থাকবে। So this is the first town after Kumuliput, a large town. This is Boriguma. Further on we'll have to take a left from Boriguma that goes to Kotapd, and then it enters we'll be entering Chhattisgarh. Oh, Rath, beautiful. Jai Jagannath. So from here we'll have to take a left, take us to Chhattisgarh, Jagdalpur. So what our signboard says is that Kotapd is like 27 kilometers, Jagdalpur is 61, and further from Jagdalpur I guess it should be another 30 kilometers. 30, yeah, it should be 30 to our destination. अभी जो है we are entering Kotapd. It's like another 1 kilometer. A mid-sized town. There you go, Kotapd. So this should be the last town in Odisha, because इसके बाद जो आएगा वो अपना border आ जाएगा. It is like Zuzuwadi of Tamil Nadu. Then you enter Atiballi, something like that. So this is the town itself, and now we are exiting the town. So Chandli is like another 13 kilometers. That's the NMDC plant. It's over here. So we'll be crossing down. So even that is under my portfolio. So at this point we are entering Chhattisgarh. Yeah. Raipur, Dhamtari, Jagdalpur. So welcoming you all to Chhattisgarh. Namaste Chhattisgarh. That's the massive NMDC plant. So right now we are just crossing the NMDC plant, Nagar. I guess it should rain. The clouds are getting dense here. One of my holdings, NMDC. Now we are entering Jagdalpur. This is NH60. It is NH63 though. NH63, yes. ঠিক আছে। খুব তাড়াতাড়ি চলে এলাম কিন্তু। We are in Jagdalpur. इसके बाद we are planning to go to Kangar Valley Ghats, and then वहाँ से सिर्फ और कितना like 10 किलोमीटर you will have Kotapd Falls. So let's enjoy the ride. এটা মনে হচ্ছে ওয়ান ওয়ে মনে হচ্ছে নাকি নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোস মার্গ। এটা কি কোতুম স্যার কেভস নাকি কোমুদ স্যার কেভস? হ্যাঁ এটা কেভস আছে। গুগল ম্যাপ we have exited Jagdalpur. হ্যাঁ exit মার দি। Roads are quite fine, no issues, no broken patches, smooth though. I guess this is the Kangar Valley Safari Jeep. Beautiful roads, beautiful people, beautiful scenic view. So we are actually close to both Kangar Valley and Tirutgarh. So basically it is like the road splits into two. So one side it goes to the Kangar Valley and on this side it goes to Tirutgarh. So first we'll go to the Tirutgarh, then we'll come back to the Kangar Valley. We should be approaching the checkpoint. Which side is this one? Tirutgarh ऐसे ही जाना ना? राइट साइड और कंगर वैली ठीक है. So we are going to Chhattisgarh. करूँ पास वगैरह काटना पड़ता है. ठीक है. कंगर वैली ন্যাশনাল পার্ক ওয়েলকাম টু তিরথগড়. কোথায়? ওখানে তাহলে দিয়ে দেবো, ওখানেই দিয়ে দেবো. এটা পুরো ওই কেমনি লাগছে এই জায়গাটা আমাদের ওই মুনার কেরালা তো এমনি থাকে ডিটো কেরালা, তারপর ওই কোডাইকানালের ওখানে উটিতে এমনি থাকে. হে K51 K51 ইলেকট্রনিক সিটির গাড়ি, ব্যাঙ্গালোর ইলেকট্রনিক সিটি. Hey, whoa. So we are at the Tirutgarh Waterfalls. The water is very, 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 what do you call it, soily. There are a lot of red soil in it. And crossing first checkpoint, they have charged like 20 rupees. पास पेछने अच्छे अंदर उधर रख नहीं सकते, उधर वहाँ पे टंकी के पास. This is the gigantic Chhattisgarh Falls. Now we are in Tirutgarh. I know you won't be able to listen it, but let's enjoy the beauty. Now we are at Chhattisgarh. There's a surprise view coming up. We just drove like another 45 kilometers from Tirutgarh. I love Bastar. So there'll be a surprise view over there coming up shortly.
There's a surprise. Yes. This is the Waterfalls. Quite noisy though, but lovely. Bit tired up, but there's a surprise. Hot, humid, but class. And it works out well. So after the severe rain raid, this is the next process, I would say. Heating up the pads because it's completely wet. Jugaad work.